Okay, I was just gonna make this one video on that's a short longer because this has been going on for too long. So this tire has weirdly excessive wear, mostly even on this one ridge, and then it's got a strange cupping dip. So if you didn't know any better and didn't inspect your tire better, you would go on the internet and would say just your tires are underinflated. You check your tire, it's fine. You keep checking your tires. If you didn't roll the thing over. Oh, what happened here? Oh, and you can actually see some of the belts sticking out. So, and you're not going to find this on the tire shop's expert websites, of when you need to change your tires and this and that, because I'm not going to show the tire on here. Hopefully it didn't show it, but they know about this. This is why when you go there and ask if they have any, just a good use spare for your car, they say, oh no, we don't sell used tires, they're a safety hazard. Well, yeah, because they know their own tires are a safety hazard. And would have made this worse if I had bought this directly from them. The tires are not that old. And if I went in there with my car, I'd be fine. But if you went in there with your four-wheel drive truck, even this was on the inside, oh, they would say you were out off-roading and, pinching the tire on rocks and doing all sorts of stuff that causes damage. When it's not true. But since the 70s, they've been told to say that on their shop tires. So yeah, just beware. If your tire's doing this, I guess roll your car a few inches at a time so you can inspect the whole tire, or, jack it up and spin it yourself. But yeah, just beware that this nasty habit of selling poor quality tires with their name on it still happens. It's still been going on. So that's it. See ya.